let's go ahead and come out to the garden and harvest some greens. Okay, so we've got this nice big head of lettuce here. I'm gonna stretch. Going down. Because it could still regrow. So we're gonna make sure to keep the roots intact. We're harvesting these tops here. And that's really all we're gonna need for tonight. That's great. Just one of these. Man, that's already full. I wanted to do a lot more on camera, but that's really all we need right now. Let's pull this baby out. There's this lettuce down there. Wow. There's actually lots of lettuce down there, so let's go ahead and give a little bit of room. Different things grown in here. This is just a weed. Connected to this lettuce. So we'll go ahead and we'll harvest that lettuce. And we'll toss that. All right. So we'll come back for these lettuces at another time. But that's that bed. There's nasturtium here. That's just massive nasturtiums. And we'll come back and we'll harvest other parts of the bed. I just wanted to show you some more. We've got arugula. Got some more romaine lettuces, cassava coming in. Of course, our big mama moringa trees on the end of each row. Lots of romaines with variegation. Holy basil. Some nice curly kales. And we just pretty much cleaned up all these beds, took out hundreds of moringa trees over this season. Made several $1,000s, about $10,000 just from all of these beds this year. Generated about $10,000 worth of income just from these beds. Got lots of different kales here. Sweet potatoes in the ground coming up. We just had a bunch of sweet potatoes come up and ate some. Got this bed here that's in place with nice big trees. Got some tomato bushes coming in here. Tomatoes coming in way back down in there. Turmeric is all in here. This is all turmeric. Got ourselves some bananas. Nice banana circle pit came in this weekend. You can see that, lots of bananas coming in. Lots of bananas coming in. Oh, got some bananas coming in there. In the banana circle. Lots of bananas coming in. That one, those ones got eaten, taken off. We got some more coming in here. And a lot more bananas coming in as we work the beds. And we're back to one. We've got 10 beds here. Made about $1,000 off of each bed. Stay tuned as you see the development of this raised bed area. Peace and love.